With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello, welcome to Doubtnut. In this question given, an object is moving towards the mirror with the velocity 10 meter per second as shown in the figure. If the collision between the mirror and the object is perfectly elastic, then the velocity of the image after collision with mirror in the vector form is, okay, this is the figure. Okay, this is y-axis, this is x-axis, okay, and this is positive x-axis, then definitely this is negative x-axis, and this is negative y-axis, okay, minus y and minus x, okay. This is 15 degree, okay, and x-axis is parallel to this plane, okay, then definitely this is 15 degree, okay, this is 15 degree, okay, and this is perpendicular, this is perpendicular, okay, and whole angle is 180 degree, then definitely this is 75 degree, okay, this is 75 degree, okay, that means this is 75 degree, then firstly draw a normal, okay, then firstly draw a normal which is perpendicular to this plane, okay, then this is normal and this is 75 degree, then definitely this angle is equal to 15 degree, this angle is 15 degree. Then reflected ray is passed through, this is incident ray from the normal and this is 15 degree, then definitely reflected ray is 15 degree to the normal, okay, and this is reflected ray, okay, and this is also 15 degree, okay, this is 15 degree, then definitely this is perpendicular and this is 15 degree plus 15 degree 30 degree, then definitely this angle is 60 degree, okay, and we know that if any plane mirror, okay, and incident ray and this is normal and this is reflected ray, okay, this is incident ray, reflected ray, then image is formed in just opposite to the reflected ray, okay, image is formed just opposite to the reflected ray, then similarly this is a reflected line, okay, then image is formed in just opposite to the reflected line, okay, in this direction, then firstly find the direction of this reflected ray and just negative sign because in this quadrant x is negative and y is negative, okay, then this reflected line, and in this question given the velocity towards the mirror, object is moving towards the mirror with the velocity 10 meter per second, okay, then velocity v is equal to 10 meter per second, okay, then reflected ray also moves with the velocity 10 meter per second, okay, this is 10 meter per second along the x-axis, and this can be written as velocity, reflected velocity, and this is equal to the 10 cos 30 degree, okay, because this angle is 30 degree, then 10 cos 30 degree in j direction, plus v sine 30, then this is equal to 10 into sine 30 degree in I direction, okay, but in question we have to find the velocity of image, okay, then image is just x is negative and y is negative, then velocity of the image after reflection, okay, and this can be written as minus x, and the value of the x is 10 sine 10 sine 30 degree I direction minus 10 cos 30 degree j direction, okay, this is the velocity of the image after reflection, okay, minus 10 sine I minus 10 cos 30 j, okay, and when we see the option of this question, then option D is the right answer of this question. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, ITG and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.